Hi family, this is your girl Azariah, work at home specialist. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 2 jobs that are hiring right now. Fresh off the press, apply fast. These are 2 temporary full-time positions. So if that sounds good to you, please stay tuned. And first, before I get into the job, as always, I'll be offering you a word of encouragement from the book of life, the book of my life, the Bible. All right, so today's word of encouragement, you heard me say it before. It's one of my favorite Bible verses. It comes from Hebrews 11:1 that says, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. You watching this video is putting your faith in action, okay? You are trying to make something happen to get a job that you need. Just keep trusting, keep believing it will happen for you. All right, so I'm going to talk about the 2 jobs that are hiring right now for work from home customer service. I'm saying that wrong. Let me say it again. These are customer service jobs, okay? The first company that's hiring is Postmates. Yes, the infamous Postmates. If you're not familiar with Postmates, they are a delivery driving service. They deliver anything. Mostly they deliver food, but they deliver other things as well. And they are hiring in their customer service department, okay? They are hiring for a customer service experience associate. That's why I messed up, because all these companies come up with different ways to say customer service job. And I was thinking customer service experience associate. It's a customer service job, okay? They're hiring temporary positions. They have a couple of available shifts. The first shift that they're hiring from is from Thursday to Sunday from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. The second shift that they're hiring for is, I'm so country, hiring for is Wednesday through Saturday from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. And the last shift that they are hiring for is Thursday through Sunday from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right. And for this job, I noted when I was doing my research for you all that they put in the job description that the following job duties are under close supervision. Basically, that is code for they will be micromanaging you at this job. And that's okay, because if you're a great worker and you're there to do your job, micromanagement is nothing. You're going to show them that you are an amazing worker, but they may have had issues with that in the past. This is a remote position. So they just wanted you to know before you even apply that you're going to be under close supervision. And they also, well, I'll say the other part later. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about the job. They want you to be able to quickly resolve customers' problems in real time. Okay, so if you've ever worked for one of these delivery platforms, there are a lot of things that happen when you pick up a delivery and you deliver it to the customer. So they want you to be the person that's helping the delivery drivers with any issues they may have. You're also going to be helping the customers who order the food with any issues they may have, or you may be helping Postmates itself, the company, with any issues, okay? You're going to be helping them via phone, chat, and sometimes with email occasionally, all right? You're going to troubleshoot devices. You're going to have strong time management skills, and you have to be extremely self-disciplined, and you must maintain a thick skin, because you are going to be working with a lot of customers that are angry and upset, and they want to make sure that you're able to handle the pressure and be calm and able to handle that type of environment, okay? Let's see. The perfect candidate for this company, as they say, is they want you to at least have some type of experience in customer service. It doesn't have to be in a call center. You could be in retail, food services, contact center, if you've ever done technical support, anything like that, they will prefer that experience. Now, you don't have to have it, but it's a preference, okay? And let's see, is there anything else? And you have to be flexible to work nights and weekends. All right, the next position I'm going to be telling you about is related to the pandemic that's going on right now. They are hiring this company. I'm going to say the name of the company at the end, but it's with the Veterans Right Organization. They are hiring full-time. This is also a temporary position. This position is expected to last until September 30th, 2020. So that's pretty long time. For this position, you're going to provide general administrative support for veterans and their families. So basically, you're going to be performing assessments over the phone, through email, and you're going to essentially, you are going to determine client eligibility. Basically, that's what you'll be doing. You're going to need to be experienced with Excel, Microsoft Office, and you're going to have a lot of empathy and compassion because you're going to be dealing with a lot of veterans. Some of them are special needs, some of them are disabled, some of them are homeless. So they want to make sure that you have a very empathetic and sympathetic heart. One of the key requirements is that you're going to need to be able to type 40 words per minute. So if you are not able to type 40 words per minute, I would give you a little tip, a little working at home tip, is to go online and type in practice typing, something like that. Play around with those keywords, and there are all these free programs online that you can kind of practice your typing skills. Just as a little side note, before I got hired at one of my first work at home jobs that was outside of my tutoring that I've done in the past, I knew that there was going to be a typing test, so I went and I practiced. I practiced until I got to the words per minute that the company required, and it helped me get the job. So I would suggest you do the same thing before applying if you're a little rusty on your typing skills. All right. And they want you to also have the ability to work with a diverse client population. That is all that I have for you today. As always, my best life and work advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He will help you. If God says yes, no one on earth can say no. Now you go get that job. Bye, family.